Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to actually play the newest bonus game on Monopoly Go, that is Thanksgiving Partners. Now it's a very easy process, just simply follow along. Now the thing is, you need to finish recipes. Now let's say we want to finish recipes like this, we need to partner up with a Monopoly Go player as well, and as you can see, he contributed 3,800 spoons. Now here you get gloves, and whenever you get 20 gloves you can spin the wheel. Now how do you earn these gloves? You earn these gloves by simply playing the game, getting on the landmarks, or by getting the quick wins. Now we need to upgrade 3 landmarks. Let's do that real quick. And as you can see right now, let's wait a second. Here I earn a daily win, and this gives me actual gloves. Now this is the fastest way to earn gloves, and here you can use these gloves to go back to the recipes that you've just created with a friend or with a stranger on Monopoly Go. And here you can go to the kitchen, click on it and spin the wheel. Now let's say we want it times 3, and here we can spin the wheel and you earn these spoons, and these spoons contribute to this wheel. Now from here you earn a lot of dice, a lot of money, and a top prize, as you can see. Now you can collect these 5 times, and here I have 3 recipes building up, and from there you can actually earn these easy wins, earn a lot of prizes, and get way better in the game. Now it's a very easy process, just simply play the game, roll the dice, and from there get extra dice, get extra prizes, and that's it. If this tutorial helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. If you still got questions, leave them in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.